Okay, part 2, guys. So, as you know in our last video, we were doing the BFF twin, the BFF telepathy challenge. Anyway, so you know how our slime was horrible. It was, but goopy. Yeah, but now look at it. So what we did?
Twist it.
We added some baking. So I said baking soda, right? So basically, I knew that since in Las Vegas we were making slime with my friends, and she used baking soda, right? So I said, why don't we get baking soda? And we did. And then as I put it in, I noticed it went like this. I was putting some music on. Yeah, she was. I didn't want to tell her.
Can you stretch it? Stretch it as far as you can.
It's sort of like hard.
Let me see how far it stretches.
I need lotion. I do too.
Stretch it, stretch it.
First, we need lotion. That wasn't part of the challenge. So now we're just like adding some other stuff to our slime to make it better because we want a good slime. That's not just like
You need to put it back in the container first.
Well, my container's kind of messy right now. Yeah. Can you wash our containers, please? No. We're going to use baking soda to help it. Oh, okay.
Baking soda. Baking soda, that
Can't
sounds
waste
good.
slime. Baking soda, that sounds good. I'm just going to use this to mix. This isn't going to work a lot. You guys probably know, but our dad is filming, so if you hear in the back talking, then just don't, just ignore it. Yeah, ignore him. Sorry. But ignore him. Ooh, I was going to get it off the napkin, but ooh, this is working, but it's like no. I'm getting like a little bit of my other side, like my big clump, and then where did I get this big clump of glue? Ooh, this is a lot. And then I put baking soda on it, and then now I'm just like tapping on it. Well, this will be its home.
Stretch it. I want to see how far it stretches.
Okay, 1 sec. Oof. I really need to, like, meet in it. Yeah, same. Where did Jaden go? I think he went downstairs.
Come on, stretch it.
These beads are... Well, bye, guys.
Some strength.
No, bye.
Stretch it.
Guys.
Stretch it. Stretch it. Look at Colette's. It's so awesome. I think hers is better. Oh, wait a minute. Yours is looking pretty stretchy, too.
My arms can't go wide. Mine can't either.
All right.
My arms are wide.
Thanks for watching part 2.
Bye.